Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video we're going to be painting this 3D printed Zaku head from the Mobile Suit Gundam universe. This particular 3D print was printed using Tech's build resin. Brand new resin just came out a few weeks ago. I think it turned well, and I think it has an awesome color. First off, I'm going to paint it with a coat of primer. The primer I'm using is Stynylrez Gray primer from the fine folks over at Badger. Now that the primer coat is all done, we're going to be going over with a medium green color from Vallejo's model color range, thinned down with their Vallejo's Airbrush flow improver. Don't use regular Airbrush thinner. It doesn't work well and it gives you a lot of clogging. But the flow improver, that's the trick I found with using the model color range. If you use Model Air or their Mecha range, you don't even need to thin it at all. Now that the base coat has been painted, I'm moving on to detailing work. I'm going to use this Tamiya's X1 gloss black acrylic paint to fill in the visor area, or the camera area, whatever we're going to call it, the area surrounding the monoli, just to add that detail. Now I'm going to give it a wash. This is Ammo by Mig Streaking Starship Wash. That's just going to fill in the crevices and the seams and the panel lines, and also give it a little more of a grunge look to it.
You make it real, you're the one I want. And to me, we are just like art. You are like me to my autumn rain.
Going back and adding some pink paint from Vallejo model color range to fill in that monoli and give it that classic Zaku look.
Looking for that someone to hold. You came in, you shook my peace. You tore down my walls with ease. You turned dust into gold. You make it real, you're the one I want. And to me, we are just like art. You are like me to my autumn rain.
Here's the finished product. I'm just going to go over it with some Vallejo satin varnish just to protect that paint. Model color paint does scratch off easier than some other paints, especially Tamiya. If you want a paint that's really tough, use Tamiya acrylics. But Vallejo's good too, especially if you're not going to be handling that much. Just protect it with a clear coat or varnish like I'm doing. It'd be good. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave comments if you have questions or other stuff you want to see. Bye.